This list summarizes the scientific mechanisms behind spiritual experiences, the associated health risks, and how prolonged low-voltage electrical stimulation can affect each phenomenon. Prolonged low-voltage electrical stimulation. Biochemical mechanism. Repeated low-voltage electrical currents can alter neural excitability and neurotransmitter dynamics, inducing altered states of consciousness. Electrophysiology. Chronic changes in brainwave patterns can cause persistent shifts in perception and awareness. Health risks. Long-term use can result in nerve damage, cognitive impairment, increased risk of depression and anxiety, and dependency on electrical stimulation for emotional regulation. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Continuous low-amperage currents may lead to neurological burnout, reduced neuroplasticity, and maladaptive changes in brain function. Altered blood flow and oxygenation. Biochemical mechanism. Electrical stimulation can alter cerebral blood flow and oxygenation, affecting neural activity and consciousness. Electrophysiology. Variable changes in brainwave patterns due to shifts in blood flow and oxygen levels. Health risks. Excessive use can cause hypoxia, dizziness, fainting, and potential long-term brain damage. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Prolonged stimulation could disrupt normal blood flow patterns, leading to chronic hypoxia and associated cognitive deficits. Limbic system stimulation. Biochemical mechanism. Electrical currents can heighten activity in the limbic system, causing intense emotional experiences, often interpreted as spiritual. Electrophysiology. Increased gamma wave synchronization, 30 Hz, associated with heightened emotional states. Health risks. Overstimulation can lead to emotional instability, anxiety disorders, PTSD, and chronic stress. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Prolonged exposure can continuously activate emotional circuits, causing prolonged anxiety, fear, or emotional exhaustion. Activation of the default mode network, DMN. Biochemical mechanism. Electrical stimulation can reduce DMN activity, leading to ego dissolution and feelings of spiritual transcendence. Electrophysiology. Decreased alpha wave coherence in DMN regions, prefrontal cortex, posterior cingulate cortex. Health risks. Chronic disruption may cause depersonalization, derealization, and difficulty in distinguishing reality from altered states. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Repeated low-voltage stimulation can excessively suppress DMN function, leading to persistent feelings of disconnection from reality. GABA and glutamate modulation. Biochemical mechanism. Electrical stimulation increases GABA, inhibitory neurotransmitter, and decreases glutamate, excitatory neurotransmitter, promoting relaxation and trance states. Electrophysiology. Increased delta of 4 Hz and theta waves, indicative of deep relaxation and altered consciousness. Health risks. Excessive modulation can cause cognitive deficits, dependency on altered states, and mental health issues like dissociation or anxiety. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Prolonged stimulation can lead to over-inhibition of neural activity, impairing cognitive function and emotional regulation. Endorphin release. Biochemical mechanism. Low-voltage stimulation can trigger endorphin release, leading to euphoria and pain relief, perceived as spiritual experiences. Electrophysiology. Enhanced alpha and theta brainwaves associated with calm and euphoria. Health risks. Overuse can reduce pain sensitivity, cause addiction to stimulation, and lead to physical injury due to reduced awareness of harm. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Continuous low-level stimulation can deplete endorphin reserves, leading to reduced natural pain relief and potential withdrawal symptoms. Altered neurotransmitter activity. Biochemical mechanism. Changes in serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine levels can lead to altered perception, mood, and consciousness, creating experiences of enlightenment or trance states. Electrophysiology. Increased theta, 4 to 7 Hz, and alpha, 8 to 12 Hz brainwave activity linked to meditation and relaxation. Health risks. Excessive induction can lead to neurotransmitter imbalances, mood disorders, e.g. mania, depression, and cognitive impairment. Low-voltage stimulation effects. Prolonged use of low-voltage currents could overstimulate neurotransmitter release, causing dependency and reducing natural regulatory mechanisms.
Audiences know what to expect, and that is all they are